Lovelies, it's Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States. Today is a little something different. Did you know that we have subscription boxes? We do. We have 3 of them. I have them right here. I have not opened these. I'm so excited. This is like what you all get to experience when you get one of the subscription boxes because it's a mystery every single month. So I have all 3 different subscription boxes. We're gonna open them up. We're gonna chat about the subscription boxes. I'm stinking excited. I'm most excited for the dyed subscription box. I'm not gonna lie, that's my favorite. But yeah, let's jump into this. This is gonna be a ton of fun. I haven't done an unboxing in like forever, so let's get to it. But before we do, if you're new around here, welcome to the Oh You're Lovely land. We do carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States, not to be confused with other wood flower companies. We are independently owned and operated, not associated with any other wood flower company. We are women operated and owned and have been for over 5 years now. If you would like to subscribe to our channel, we would love to have you here. We post typically on Wednesdays, but I think this one is going up on a different day, so don't hold me to that. We might change, but once a week. We load up a video pretty much once a week for the last almost 5 years. So take a look at all of the past videos if you're interested. They're mostly tutorials, but today we are going to be focusing again on our subscription boxes. But give us a like, thumbs up, comment down below. If you do subscribe, make sure to ring that bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. And one last thing. Now you can't use these on the subscription boxes, but I do have a little gift for you. And we're also going to talk about the gift that's in these subscription boxes. But before we do that, use the code YouTube30 to get 30% off one regular priced order. Subscription boxes are not included in that. They're already marked down and there's free shipping on those. So there you go. Okay, now we'll jump. We're gonna jump into these subscription boxes. First box is going to be our Stash Builders box. This is our, oh, I lost my train of thought because I'm like knife. Hold on. Probably, hold on. The Stash Builders Plus box. This is a great entry-level subscription box, especially if you're new to wood flowers or you want to kind of start playing around with different style flowers, but kind of just want us to send you something every month as a surprise. It's probably a style you haven't played with before, and this is a lovely, holy cow. We normally, now this is unique in that these are luxe flowers. A lot of time the Stash Builder is not luxe flowers. And sometimes they're flowers that are new or exclusive. But yeah, luxe flowers, this is like, I'm actually shocked. I'm shocked. Maggie didn't tell me what was in each of these boxes, and it's a surprise every month. I get a kick out of it. So, tulips, both the regular and the fancy tulips are in this box. And this third style is Josie. I did verify with Maggie too, because I normally only get the dyed subscription boxes. I don't get the Stash Builder and the Stash Builder Plus on a regular basis. Having the luxe flowers is not, and you're not always gonna get luxe flowers in the Stash Builders box. So this is a very special treat for the spring one. Normally they're seasonally based. So if it's a seasonally based flower, she may throw in some luxe flowers in there too. But there's typically 2 to 3 different style flowers in the Stash Builders box. How lovely are these? Let's get these out of the bag so you can see them a little bit closer. Oh, I just feel very lucky to have some fancy tulips. Look at that fancy tulip. As far as I know, as I'm filming this, the regular tulips, these right here, the luxe ones, we are now out of stock of, and they won't come back until next spring. So those who get the Stash Builder or Stash Builder Plus maybe for shadowing have some tulips that are now no longer available till the next spring. Oh, and Josie. This fun flower is named after my pup, Josie Pup. And there is the Josie flower. Very fun box. Also, in each of these boxes, I won't zoom up on it because you can't, no grabbing the code, but there is a coupon code in every single subscription box. Each month it's different. You have the whole month to use that coupon code. And this particular exclusive deal for the month of March, the box you get in March, was for 70% off 2 and 2.5 inch wood flowers, not the bulk or luxe ones. So dozens and 6-packs, most of them are dozens for the 2 and 2.5 inch sizes, 70% off the raw flowers. Freaking out, what a deal. So each month, again, the subscription boxes get their own exclusive coupon that you have that month to use. And then the following month, you get a new coupon. All right, on to the dyed assortment box. This is my favorite one. Not to like be biased or anything, but, and it's also our customers' favorite one. This is definitely our top selling subscription box. We even have some people who order multiples of these each month, so they get 2 or 3 boxes, because the dyed subscription box, are we ready to see what it looks like? Oh, there's our coupon. And Maggie always tries to keep the colors kind of seasonally based. Oh my God, this is, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna get these out on a platter out of this bag, and let's look at this assortment. Oh my gosh. Now the dyed subscription box. Oh man, it will come with 50 specially dyed exclusive flowers. Now we do not offer these dyed assortments on our website. Every once in a while we'll make an assortment that just becomes we love it so much that we make a variation of it for the website, but we will never take an exact replica of a dyed subscription and offer it on the website. I love these so much. Every month, it's a surprise, and it's such a colorful, lovely surprise. So again, 50 dyed flowers. Now, sometimes we go real like intricate, and there is hand dyeing happening, and there is airbrushing. Sometimes it's solid colors, sometimes they're mixed in, sometimes like this particular blue, I don't know if it picks up on camera, but it's like just the softest, prettiest diluted blue. So definitely to like, there's some very like Maggie takes her time to pull together the color story, how she wants the finishes of the flowers to look. And then the lovely Angie on our team is the one that dyes most of our flowers. So Maggie is the color master and Angie is the dyer. And oh my gosh, just look at it. Look at it. I'm just a tinge bit excited about that one. I cannot wait to play with this one. I wish I got a second set, but I didn't. So I'm gonna really hoard this one for a while. Okay, on to the last box. The big baddie is coming up, so let's check that out next. Here she is, the big baddie, the Stash Builders Plus. Now the Stash Builders Plus, a little bit of everything. You like flowers? We got you covered. Do you like raw flowers? Got you covered. You like dyed flowers? Got you covered. Do you like greenery? Also got you covered. It's a little bit of everything. There's also sometimes some exclusive flowers that only only the Stash Builder Plus subscriber will get. That was a really big pause. It also gets the coupon code. So we've got in here, ready? We've got deluxe flowers that were in the Stash Builders box. So we have our regular tulips and our fancy tulips, as well as a pack of Josies. We have, now it's not 50, but it is a another set of the dyed assortment as well. And then for greenery this time, we have this lovely fern piece. Now these are all gonna be different every single time. Maggie also, sometimes she'll put in, like, sneak in a little gifty that we have available, craft supplies, all sorts of different things. Again, sometimes exclusive flowers that only our Stash Builder Plus customers will get. And we've got this lovely hanging wisteria vibed filler. Oh, so pretty. So there you have it. And of course then the coupon code too. So there you have it. 3 different subscription boxes that we carry here at Oh You're Lovely. Let's talk about the little the technical stuff about the subscription boxes. You can sign up for any of our subscription boxes through the 25th of that month, and the box will go out the following month, the first week of the month. For example, we are in March. March 25th is your deadline to get any of the boxes that will be shipping out the first week of April. If you go beyond that deadline and you purchase one on the 26th, it will not ship out until the following month. So that would be May. Wow. That makes time go so fast. So if you get anything after that time period, it'll go out the following month. Every month on the 15th, your subscription then renews. You can cancel at any time. We make it super easy. If you have any trouble finding how to cancel, you just need to send us a quick little email at info@ohyourlovely.com and we will handle it for you. No questions asked, no pressure, no making you feel bad. We get it. We want you to enjoy the box until you no longer want, need, or enjoy it. But hopefully you're always enjoying it and it just becomes, I have too many flowers, y'all. It happens sometimes. We've had customers now that have gotten the subscription box since we introduced it for years. It is definitely a great way to bring in some new colors into and play around with maybe a new color story you've never played with, to try out some of the wood flowers that you may have overlooked, because we do have 150 different styles. It's pretty easy to overlook a couple different styles, and we're always adding new styles to our website. So this is a great way to maybe find a flower that you absolutely love but didn't even know was there. So cool. Let me think if there's anything else that we need to discuss about the subscription boxes. You can order 1, 2, all 3. You can order multiples, like I mentioned, especially the dyed subscription box. We do have people that enjoy getting 2 or 3 of those at a time. So we're talking 50, 100, 150 different, or 150 total dyed flowers. Also, shipping is included in the US on all of the dyed, or all of the subscription boxes. Free shipping is included in that price. No coupon codes can be used on any of the subscription boxes. I think that's all the details, but if I missed something or if you have a question, make sure to pop it down in the comments and we will answer those as soon as possible. Are you thinking about a subscription box? Who doesn't love Happy Mail? Once a month. A surprise Happy Mail. It's always gonna put a smile on your face. I can almost guarantee it. Hopefully. Probably. How could you not smile when you get that in the mail? Ah! I just wanna go create. I'm actually really excited. I just realized I got bonus. Normally I only get the 50. Now I have more. Oh, this will be coming soon on a tutorial because I need to play with this dyed assortment as well as the other flowers. All right, you guys, I think that's everything for today. If you have any questions, like I mentioned, drop them down in the comments. We will see you next week for another tutorial. I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.